Hello traders, my name is Rolan and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you can find the most effective and straightforward strategies for the binary options and onward. If you're new in trading, don't worry, you can try my strategies from the video, you can repeat after me, or you can use my Telegram group with the free signals with a 90% of accuracy, and you can find the links in the description of every videos. Also, if you don't have a time for trading, if you're working or you have some another deals, don't worry. I have a social trading for you. You can connect to my account very easy and just repeat after me. Repeat every signals, every strategies. So, let's keep going.
So, hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. We got a $3,000 now. Let's open a $500 position. We're working on a 1 minute time frame as usual. All the currency pairs with the highest payout rate have been picked. And let's pick several indicators. The first one is the ADX and the second one is the Keltner channel. Our today's strategy is based on the ADX and the Keltner, of course, but we'll look at the ADX first, and only then we pay attention to the Keltner and open our positions. The main point of this strategy is that we don't have to change and adjust anything. We just keep the basic settings. The only thing is that I want to change the color of the moving averages on the ADX just to make it more convenient to navigate. So we're not going to slow down here. Let's begin the trading session and find the most promising position entry. And we got right here. I'll point out the workspace for you. So have a look. We have this support zone here. Now it did play out. The price started going up, then a tiny correction, and again the strong upward dynamics. Then we caught this tiny correction and we consider it's a signal to open our position, and we open along. So look, we got a medium dynamics on the chart according to the ADX, and there we see that the green moving average has gone down, and this way we're expecting its breakout to the upside, and the position has to be closed in profits in the end. So if something goes wrong, we're gonna open extra positions, and let's open 3 extra long positions here. The first one ended up at loss. That sucks. Okay, that's why we're waiting for the rest. Well, the candle is going lower, that's why we open 2 more positions, and we're gonna wait for the strong breakout. Please leave the comments, guys. I will be happy to hear your thoughts on this strategy. As always, what indicators do you generally use? Which ones bring you the highest profit? You can tell me in the comments. I'd be happy to see them in my trading. I'm gonna practice it and then make video about it. So yeah, maybe some reviews about indicators. I don't mind. As you can see, the price is starting to move upwards. The martingale method played out perfectly. Look at this beautiful pump, guys, and our extra position have been closed in profits. Nice, but we also have 2 more long positions, and they're also in profits in the next 5 seconds. So this is the strategy, guys. Thank you for watching. Okay, I'm kidding. Pretty simple one. There is several seconds left before the closing, and our position have been closed in profits. This is the strategy. It's based on the ADX and the Keltner, which is complemented by the martingale method. I mean, opening the extra positions. There's nothing complicated, so this is a win-win strategy. And there's no stopping here, just the beginning. The first positions is on profits. It's like kind of our tradition, but yeah, the mainly first position is in loss. I guess it's not a big loss, it's not a huge sign. We can do that together. We can do that with that loss. So we can open long here. Seems like a good position entry. Let's point out this entry is much more promising than we see in the previous one. We see the touch of the support zone, and basically we see the downward dynamics that took place earlier. Then we see this flat, and here look at the price dynamics. So we realize that the previous touch was happening here, and now the touch is happening again. And if we look at the ADX, there is no premises for several or something impulsive like this. That's why we open our position properly. We carve a nice position entry level. The candle is red so far, but it doesn't matter. We got a nice trade entry level, guys, and it should be closed in profits. But if things go wrong, we're ready to open extra positions. However, we don't need it. The position is a profit. Nice. Good. Nothing complicated. We're not stopping here, of course. Let's continue our trading. Let's continue analyzing, and I see a nice trading opportunity here. Let's open a short. This is a good one. If we look at ADX, we see that the moving average has gone up. All right, the same goes for the green line, so we're expecting correction here. And here the touch of the resistance zone has happened. The zone is quite strong, and also we see the updating of the local high, and after this we're expecting the downward dynamics, downward movement, because the price has broke through the channel, and I think we did it right. Then open the short. So yeah, we have a nice trade entry level, and look, the price is going down, and I'm pretty sure that this one will be closed in profits. We have several seconds, like 5 seconds, and show me what you got. Nice. We got 2,600 of profit. Not that bad, guys. This one has been closed in profits, so let's find the next currency pair. Let's continue analyzing, right? Here the price could go upward, so let's take our time. But here we see a nice correction. Let's open the long here, guys. I'll point out the workspace as usual. I'm doing. So the main principle of work while trading this strategy is when we search for the pullbacks and corrections. Right. For example, we observe a good correction here, and based on a tiny knowledge of the technical analysis, we see that the upward dynamics dominates here. If we look at this price zone, also a good correction takes place, and actually we have to spot them and open positions ahead of the market. So if we look at the ADX, there is a low dynamics here. The crossing of the moving averages, the red moving average has gone up a little bit, and we're about to see another crossing here. So that's why we opened long, and there we go. We're in the profits. Nice. We got a nice breakout here, and we are in profits. Meanwhile, we got a $6,000 on the balance. Quite good result so far. Let's refresh and continue the trading session. Find the next currency pair. So we're looking for the highest payout rate, much highest. Now, here's a more downward dynamics takes place, and we're open our position in the direction of the trend. We open a short. This is our sell signal. There was a flat here at obvious, then the price started gradually going down. The local highs were updated. We see that the ADX is reversing and going up. And it tells us that the downward dynamics should continue gaining momentum, right? So let me point out the ADX. Should be continued, and the price broke the support zone down, and everything indicates that the price is gonna go down. And despite this strong candle, we opened the short position anyway, and as you can see, a strong dump followed up, and our position is in profit in the next 4 seconds. And nice as usual, we have a 6,500, and I guess we should open a few more positions in order to consolidate our gains. Market for now is good, and let's find another currency pair for that. I also recommend you to have a good amount on the balance, guys. Now, when you trade this strategy, I think 500 bucks will be fine. It would be comfortable to use with the martingale method. And so here, we're not gonna open here. Well, what do we have? We got here good correction. Let's open a long position here. I'll point out the workspace. So we realize that the touch of this massive support zone has happened. The updating of the price maximum did happen, and then a tiny correction, small rebound from the middle line of the channel, and basically this correction should be over by now. And the price should continue going up and probably go sideways, small sideways. And if we look at the ADX, we see that the moving average is not at the top yet, and the reversal is very unlikely to happen. We see that the price has gone down. That's fine, guys. We open extra positions and let's wait for the breakout. Let's see. Okay, there's several seconds left before the closing of the first one, but it's gonna lose. Come on. Yeah. Okay, that's why we open more long positions. So we here see a beautiful entry level, the very promising upward dynamics. The same goes for the candle momentum. There's no wicks, John wicks, and this is definitely a good sign for us. Well, if there are 3 long positions end up at loss, we're gonna open $4,000 positions, and let's change the trade amount right away in order to save our time. Well, let's watch. Several seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and I guess 3 our long positions is in profit. We got a $7,000 on our balance. Good job, guys. Now let's find the next concept pair in order to consolidate our profit. And let's open our final positions for today. We are interested in what? Of course, highest payout rate. And have a look, we see a good downward dynamics. Let's open a long position here. Let's point out the workspace. It's obvious that the upward dynamics started from this point. The updating of the local high took place here, and now the upward dynamics dominates. That's why we prioritize catching corrections and opening long positions. And this is exactly what we did. The price broke out from the channel and we're playing ahead of the market. If we look at the ADX, we see low dynamics here. The green line is at the good level, and this is a good sign for opening a long. The price has gone down. That's why we open a few more long positions. Yes, we're gonna do that. Okay, we're ready to open $4,000 long positions. The candle goes lower, so let's wait a little bit for 30 seconds on the timer. Crap. 5 seconds. Yep. Yes. Let's open a $4,000 long positions. Quite intense moment, guys, but I'm expecting to see the breakout anyway. So let's have a look. Okay, the positive dynamics starts gaining momentum. The breakout seems to be happening, but still the upper position will probably end up at loss. Not exactly, guys. Our position have closed in profits. We got lucky here. However, it's not lucky. Actually, okay, we predicted the upward dynamics from the very beginning. We got 4 long positions left here. There's several seconds left before the closing. Tough moment, guys. The price is near the position entry. 5 seconds left. And several seconds. Nice, we're in profits. That was close. We got almost $12,000 on the balance. Awesome result. Let's move on to the withdrawal. I'd rather withdraw, let it be $11,500. Let's press the continue button. Whew, that was hard. That was really tough moment, guys. Transaction is being processed. I'll attach the screenshot at the end of the video, of course. So don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, and subscriptions. I would like to read your comments about the strategy, about this moment too. That was kind of nervous, you know. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget about the Telegram channel. There is a lot of useful information. There's a group with the signals where you can trade with me, you can text to me, I can help you and explain you everything. So thank you for watching. Have a good market. Bye bye.
So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, I appreciate that, and of course subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get into $300 draw. So I want to help you to start, and 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.